Hello, welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So today we're looking at this concept, factorial, right? So what is factorial? Factorial is simply the representation of numbers using this symbol. This is the factorial symbol, right? Then for zero factorial, factorials of number, for zero factorial is equal to 1 and 1 factorial is equal to 1. Then subsequently, from the number 2, 3, 4 and above, the factorial of those numbers are the multiplication of the number multiplied by the previous number following the number till 1. Is that clear? Now, the factorial of 2 factorial is equal to 2 times 1. Then 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1. 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Just like that. Then here we have what? 2 factorial is 2. Here we have 6. Here we have 24. Right? It means that 5 factorial will be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which will give you 120. And also 6 factorial will be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This times this like this to give you 720. Is that clear? Now note that you can actually manipulate factorial to suiting our result, right? In the sense that if you have 5 factorial is equal to 5 to bracket 5 minus 1 factorial, 5 minus 1 factorial, which is equal to 5 times 4 factorial, right? Because 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? Which will give you 24. That means 5 times 4 factorial will give you what? Same 120. Is that clear? You can also manipulate this to get what? To expand this to have 5 factorial is equal to 5 minus 1 to bracket 5 minus 2 factorial. This will be equal to what? 5 times 4 times 3 factorial, which will still give you 120. Is that clear? Then generally, that means our n factorial is equal to n or n minus 1 factorial, or n into bracket n minus 1 n minus 2 factorial, or n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 factorial. As simple as that. Now, example, evaluate 6 factorial over 4 factorial times 2 factorial, right? You have solution, right? Then 6 factorial is, okay, 6 factorial over 4 factorial 2 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 factorial, right? All over 4 factorial 2 factorial. Then 4 factorial will cancel 4 factorial. We have 6 times 5 over 2 factorial is what? 2 factorial is 2. 2, right? 6 times 5 will give you 30. 30 divided by 2 will give you 15. Again, if you are given to evaluate 5 factorial over 3 factorial, right? This is equal to 5 factorial over 3 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3, right? Times 3 factorial all over 3 factorial. 3 factorial cancel 3 factorial. This is equal to 5 times 4 will give you 20, right? Also, to evaluate 7 factorial over 5 factorial, or maybe 6 factorial. Okay, 7 factorial over 5 factorial is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. over 5 factorial, which is equal to 5 factorial will cancel 5 factorial. 7 times 6 will give you what? 42.